Hello and good day, kids. Metal, how we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. We got Den here behind the camera.
Hello.
And we are going to unbox his new GT car. Here we go. Okay, kids, we're back. We got our handy dandy metal cam view going here. Den, are you ready?
Yes.
Well, Den did already open this because he wanted to look at it, and if it was your car, wouldn't you? So here we go. This is a really cool car. Are you ready to see it? Look at that, boys and girls. The Ford GT. Just beautiful. Let's get her off of there. We'll get you a good look at the bottom and the top, and then we'll get it on the turntable for a really close look with the pointer. Hope everybody is doing well today. I'm really surprised that no one has picked up this car from the group of racers that we have. I'm glad that Den got it because this baby is sweet. And we already have the tires sitting here for it. If you guys are curious which tires this uses, by the way. Here you go. These are Paul gauge urethanes. There's your part number. You can get these from CarreraSlots.com. All right. That is a sweet car. You can barely see the driver in there. You can actually see the head guard if you look right there for the driver, because you know how these GT guys, if you've ever seen the cockpit, there's a lot of stuff in these GT cockpits. And it's got your antennae for your radio complements. There's a good look at the bottom. Got your switch, of course, your sensor. Pretty usual stuff. So very cool. All right, we're going to get this thing down to the turntable in part 3. Here we go. All right, kids, we're back on the turntable with our metal arm cam view. This metal arm thing is really cool. We'll post a link to that in the chat description down below if you guys want to see it. So now we're getting a better look at this beautiful Ford GT number 66. It's just amazing, the detail on this car. It is beautiful, shiny black with white, stripage and what have you. Eco Boost. I wonder if this thing's got some sort of electronic thing or if that's just some Ford thing they're listing with your Castrol livery. There's so much stuff to look at here. We're going to move the camera and get down a little closer. Forgive us here. This is a sin according to Den, but we'll be all right. There we go. All right, I accidentally shut off the video with my fat hands. Sorry about that. So, taking a closer look. There's so much little detail in here. I don't know what all of it actually is, but it's pretty brilliant. You got your number, it says Pro, a bunch of stuff here along the air dams. Of course, these are all sponsors, I'm sure. I don't know what some of them are. Castrol, we know that one, obviously. But we got the Michelin Man up front there. More of the Eco Boost. It's got, your classic GT40 indents in the hood, since this is the predecessor, or the ancestor of the GT40 itself, with those rear air dams like the GT cars run. More livery stuff and exhaust on the back. Sweet black wheels with red hubs. I think you can actually see the brake things in there. We'll actually get a shot of this on the track as well, just doing a quick lap. We may do testing with this if Den wants to, we'll see. And you can actually see through the back in there and see a little bit of the engine, and you can barely see the driver in there. You can kind of see him looking through what have you with his eyes if you look closely. We'll wait till he comes back around here. Better shot of the rear end. There you can see his helmet there, but it's really hard to see. There you go, you can barely see him, but yeah, this is just one sweet car. Very metal, extremely metal. All right, we're gonna throw her on the track, blah, I can't talk. We're going to put it on the track to get a look at it with the lights and a quick lap. All right, here we are on the track, getting a rear view of it here with our little drone cam. This is one beautiful car. The rear taillights look really good. The front headlights look beautiful. Drone's got to fly over the gate so it doesn't mess it up. So here we go. Den's going to take it for a lap now. The magic hand comes down and fixes the car. We haven't done anything to this car yet at all. No tires, nothing. It's still on the high power level that comes out of the factory, which is why it spins out really easy. She looks good, Dan. So we're going to go ahead and put the guide and the tires on it and see if it performs better. Stay tuned. We will be back for another part of this unboxing. Exclusive. All right, welcome back. This is part 5. Okay, kids, we're back again. We went ahead and put the Slot Invasions guide keel and the Paul Gauge urethane tires on it, and we turned the speed down to our normal speed of speed 5, brakes 4, fuel 5. Fuel doesn't really matter at this point, but just running by the settings. All right, let's see how it runs now. Seems clingier, Dan. What do you think?
Yeah.
He's a man of few words, kids. All right. Look at that, he hasn't gone off the track at all. Push it a little, see if you can. Oh yeah. I think we got a new contender here in the GT world with this Ford GT. So one last look, we're gonna go ahead and go. She is one gorgeous ride, Den. Congratulations. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching this special unboxing. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Remember, there's no wrong way to slot.